XRP Future Millionaire. It's Wednesday, July 26, 2023 at 1:40 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this is some more news coming out in regards to the Ripple XRP versus SEC lawsuit and the decision by Annalisa Torres. So we got Charlie Gaspariano, who is a Fox senior analyst or correspondent, attacking Ripple XRP, names multiple reasons. He actually starts to throw some haymakers and so many words, or some daggers. So we need to watch when the public perception is shifting so that we know we're making the right decision. We start seeing these big media going around the country trying to put this negative spin. This tells you as an XRP holder, don't be persuaded. Be optimistic. XRP right now is in a very audacious spot where we could have a massive gain here if it plays out right. And even if not, don't let what these people are saying throw you off of what you know. XRP's had a major adoption across the world when it comes to CBDC use as well in testing phases. There's a lot of ties to Fed now, and it's just what's transpiring right now, the partnerships that are being created each and every day. We're having something big here with RippleNet, the XRP Ledger, the Ripple Protocol consensus algorithm. There's a lot of stuff on the down low going on. So I'm going to read this with these little daggers that are trying to be thrown. And yeah, let's go through there. If you like my work, make sure that like button is that will push me through the analytics, get more people in here, and hit that subscribe button and join the over 17,200 subscribers now. Fox senior journalist calls Ripple case ruling dual notion. XRP lawyer replies. John Deaton, XRP holder's lawyer, took cognizance of the matter and stated that he is familiar with the former SEC executive's opinion. XRP News. The summary judgment in the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission SEC versus Ripple lawsuit has sparked an online debate among professionals about whether District Judge Annalisa Torres presented a right precedent. Fox News journalist has been actively targeting Ripple executives and the XRP community over the matter. Is XRP ruling a judge's mistake? Charlie Gasparino, a Fox News senior correspondent, in a fresh attack stated that there are too many security lawyers he can suggest who think that the judge in the XRP lawsuit gave a strange decision. He mentioned the statement given by the former SEC official John Reed Stark, which suggests that the ruling in the Ripple case is troublesome on multiple fronts. Attorney John Deaton, XRP holder's lawyer, took cognizance of the matter and stated that he is familiar with the former SEC executive's opinion. XRP's lawyer has invited Stark to debate the merits of Judge Torres' decision. Pro-XRP lawyer claimed that former SEC officials' assertions were wrong before the ruling and the XRP lawsuit was announced. However, he still stands wrong, Deaton added. So, with the crypto industry needing new rules, according to Fox journalists. So Fox journalists countered back, citing that he can produce example after example of lawyers and commentators who agree with his opinion on the record. Meanwhile, he added that there are two classes of investors, and XRP turned out to be one of the dumbest precedents ever created. He cannot allege that XRP is a security, but a dual-class notion will eventually lead to more confusion ahead. Pro-XRP lawyer agreed that confusion can occur, but that's what happens when the U.S. SEC leads by regulation by enforcement. It is a prime example of applying a test from 1946 in the modern-day blockchain technology-led era. Fox senior journalist calls case ruling dual notion. XRP lawyer John Deaton obviously replied. So yeah, that's just some more story and some more trying to put some negative connotation and negative spin on the XRP ruling. This is just all the more reason to hold strong as an XRP investor and holder.